Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review the nail strips by Ohora. So thank you, Ohora, for this sample. I like it. This is how they look. They look so pretty. So it's like a tone. It's tint. It's the name is called Tinted, and it has like a rose, white and rose. It's just a tint on your fingers, a tint on your nails. It looks so pretty. So it has here the alcohol to prep, and it has the file. So all you have to do is match the sticky to your nail, and then the rest you're going to clip it off. And also you're going to file around your nail and enjoy a nice manicure. This is how they look. This one has like a flowers, and the rest is just a tint on your fingers. It looks very pretty. It looks very nice. It has good quality. I like the set. I hope you enjoy it on your nails as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.